Hi crochet friends, I am Pauline Joge from PNN Crafts. Today's video I'll show you how to crochet this simple pattern. To start this pattern, make a foundation chain of any odd number. So for this tutorial I'll make 17 chains plus 2. So we'll start by making a slip knot. Then make 17 chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Add 2 more chains. Then on the third chain from the hook, make single crochet across. So by the end of this row you should have 17 single crochet. At the end of the row, join the white yarn, then chain 1, then turn your work. Remember, you're going to carry along this color. Then we'll start with single crochet, then the next stitch we'll do half double crochet, yarn over, pull through the through loops, then the next stitch make a slip stitch, then next stitch half double crochet, then slip stitch, half double crochet. So you're repeating the same sequence of half double crochet and slip stitch. At the end of row 2 you'll make a slip stitch, then make a single crochet. So to start the next row, we'll make single crochet. But remember, you're carrying the white yarn. Then on each stitch so make single crochet, so at the end chain 1, then we carry along the pink, make single crochet, yarn over, make half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. At the end you're going to use the pink yarn, then chain 1, turn your work, make a single crochet, so you're making single crochet across, so you'll make single crochet up to the end. Then in the next row start alternating between the half double crochet and the slip stitch. So your pattern look like this.